Alright, we are live for box break number 100. It's been kind of a quick 100 to celebrate. We're having 3 boxes, a bit of craziness. Everybody's got 2 teams. And I'm trying to go live. Every time I do, there are trades that I have to update. Got 2 more trades I'm trying to update the board on. Bears for Athletics. Lee Huskisson gets the Bears. And John Marine gets the Athletics. Will be a few more minutes, guys. Golden State Warriors, Jeff Davis. I didn't hear from you. Cameron Williamson gets the Warriors. And Jeff Davis gets the Cavs. Now I think I am caught up. I can't see if you guys are talking. I'm trying to update this list. We'll break here shortly. Let me put the video over. Now, I have the list posted in the original post. I don't know how well it will show up here, but there's the teams I got. I'm going to scroll through. If there's an error, I need to know, because this is how I will be sorting. I mean, we can figure out afterwards if the trade was confirmed. I can change it later, but I have to find out. All right, so we are going to be doing the order that I posted: baseball, football, basketball. So we have 2016 Diamond Kings baseball. Good luck, guys. Break number 100. Stay tuned after the boxes. This big stack is being divvied out. I got a little crazy. There's more than what I said. Alright, guys. Good luck. So let's get Diamond Kings. I'm gonna bring over a trash can. I'm gonna need a trash can. Oh, not my computer to the floor. No. Sorry for the length it's taken to get this break done. It was a little wild. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The trading looked kind of fun. Trades for different sport teams. You don't see that too often. Pack 1. David Price, Blue Jays. Yadier Molina, Cardinals. Gil McDougald, New York. Let's say that could be Yankees, could be Giants. I will find that out when I sort. Ty Cobb, Tigers. Elston Howard. Again, could be New York, could be Giants. Looks too old to be Mets. This is a sweet card. Nolan Ryan, Originals for the Rangers. Kyle Schwarber, rookie, Cubs. Steven Piscotty, rookie, Cardinals. Sorry about that. Alright, next pack, Nolan Ryan. This one with the Astros. Lefty Gomez. These New York teams are going to kill me. I'm going to guess Yankees, but I will find out. Babe Ruth. That one's a little bit easier for the Yankees. Anthony Rizzo for the Cubs. And we got a Michael Conforto. This one, I guess it's got that, I don't know. Trying to figure out why it was backwards. Wondering if there's a parallel or something. It's a rookie for the Mets. This one is Reggie Jackson for the Yankees, Heritage Collection. Yankees picking up a lot of cards. Also for the Yankees, Gary Sanchez, rookie. Max Kepler for the Twins, another rookie card, finishes that one out. Nolan Arenado for the Rockies. Tom Yaki, Boston executive. So I'm guessing that would be Red Sox. Jake Daubert, Brooklyn Dodgers. Go to the Los Angeles Dodgers. Andrew McCutchen, Pirates. Rogers Hornsby, Cardinals. And we got our first hit, and it is pretty. This one is going to the Blue Jays. Let me close out these so I can look up the Blue Jays. Barry Mendenhall pulling in this Troy Tulowitzki with the nice jersey in the top right, with the stripe and a bat in the bottom right, with an autograph. Very nice Tulowitzki card. Give me the right kind of sleeve. Troy Tulowitzki, 2 patches. One of them's a bat with an autograph. And it is numbered to 10. Number 7 out of 10. Nice card. I've got a mess on my desk. Alright, moving on. Rookie, Luis Severino for the Yankees. And rookie Robert Refsnyder, also for the Yankees. These Yankees are killing it, besides the hit. Michael Taylor for the Nationals. Goose Goslin for the Nationals. Well, Senators, but I'll double check that one. Joe DiMaggio, Yankees. Steven Strasburg, Nationals. And this one is the framed card. Joe DiMaggio for the Yankees. Man, the Yankees getting everything. Chris Bryant, nice card for the Cubs. Expressions card. Travis Jankowski, Padres rookie. And Greg Bird, rookie, Yankees. Senators became the Rangers. Well, I learned something. I've probably heard that before, but didn't remember. Zach Greinke, Dodgers. Jock Peterson, Dodgers. Walter O'Malley for Los Angeles, an executive. It looks like Dodgers, but I'll check that out. Mel Ott and Mel Ott, Yankees are Giants. These Diamond Kings are tough. Miguel Cabrera, Tigers. Cal Ripken Jr., nice card for the Orioles. Diamond King Originals. Crud. Aaron Nola, rookie, Phillies. And Corey Seager, a rookie, Dodgers. Yoenis Cespedes, Mets. Troy Tulowitzki, Blue Jays. Madison Bumgarner, Giants. And we lost a mini. Snuck up on me. So rookie for the Yankees, Robert Refsnyder. Mini card. I'm gonna throw that in a sleeve so it doesn't pop out later. Evan Gattis, Astros. This one is aficionado Jose Bautista for the Blue Jays. Michael Reed, rookie, Dodgers. And Mac Williamson, rookie, Giants. Come on now, card. For the Orioles, Cal Ripken Jr. AJ Pollock, Diamondbacks. Jason Hayward, Cardinals. Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Roberto Clemente, Pirates. Heritage Collection, Johnny Bench with the Reds. Hector Oliveira, Braves rookie. And Kyle Waldrop, Reds rookie. Should still have one more hit. I say should. We got screwed earlier. Had a 4-hit box from a certified, only gave us 2 hits. Matt Carpenter, Cardinals. Nap LaHoy, Indians. Roger Bresnahan with New York. It's an old New York. I'll be looking that up. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Giants, Buster Posey. And this one is Elements of Royalty or Elements of Ty Cobb. This one is a Detroit Tigers hit. Ty Cobb, and it is numbered 5 out of 5. Very beautiful card. This Ty Cobb for Detroit is going to Detroit Tigers, Scott Michaels. Nice pickup, Scott. Nice Ty Cobb, 2 pieces of the bat. Very low number, number 5 out of 5. Zach Davies, rookie Brewers, and Caleb Cowart, rookie Angels. Prince Fielder, Rangers. Jorge Soler, Cubs. Heine Groh, Reds. Anthony Rendon, Nationals. Maikel Franco is framed, and he's from the Phillies. Rated rookie Addison Russell with the Cubs. That looks like it might be one of the short prints. I have no idea. It doesn't look common. Henry Owens, rookie Red Sox. Trey Turner, rookie Nationals. Let him get over the shock, he says. 2 really good cards out of this box. The Tulowitzki was very nice as well. Roger Clemens, Yankees. Chuck Klein. It could be Phillies, it could be A's. I'll be looking that one up. Frankie Crosetti. And on that one, I'm not positive of which New York team. Ichiro, Marlins. Evan Longoria, Rays. This one is Memorable Feats. Stan the Man Musial for the Cardinals. Good looking card. Rookie Miguel Sanu with the Twins. And rookie Kelby Tomlinson with the Giants. 2 more packs. And then we're moving on to football. Dave Winfield, Yankees. Stan Musial with the Cardinals. David Wright, Mets. Chris Davis, Orioles. And we got another Roger Bresnahan with New York. Mini Diamond King. Is this next card bigger or something? Aficionado, Carlos Correa, Astros. Pedro Severino, rookie Nationals. And Jorge Lopez, rookie Brewers. Last pack here. Chris Bryant, Cubs. George Kelly, New York. Robinson Cano, Mariners. Jose Altuve, Astros. Giancarlo Stanton, Marlins. Memorable feats, Rogers Hornsby, another Cardinals. Socrates Brito, Diamondbacks rookie. And Zach Lee, rookie, Dodgers. Alright, that was Diamond Kings. We had that Ty Cobb, Giants, numbered 5 out of 5. And the double patch autograph, Troy Tulowitzki, Blue Jays, numbered to 10. Two very good hits. Alright guys, 2015 football certified. Time to switch everything up. And remember, we got a whole stack of hits to give away at the end. The hits, I mean, it's quantity. I mean, there's not going to be any crazy hits. The hits you just got out of Diamond Kings are better than anything I'm going to give away. Just to warn you. There's some names in the giveaway cards, but you aren't going to find any one-of-ones. You aren't going to find any $25 cards. Maybe some $10 to $20 ones. Jordy Nelson, Packers. AJ Green, Bengals. There you go, Gabaldon. Eric Decker, Jets. Kurt Warner with the Cardinals. This one is numbered to $4.99. And we already got our first hit for football. It is P.J. Williams, rookie autograph for the New Orleans Saints. That is going out to Jamie Cammy Hitchcock. Nice autograph there, numbered out of 150. And the last card is the junk. Alright, there's only 10 packs of this and what's supposed to be 4 hits, so should be almost every other pack. Drew Brees, Saints. Giovanni Bernard, Bengals. Cam Newton, Panthers. Joe Montana, numbered to $9.99 with the Giants. Teddy Bridgewater, Stars card. That one's not numbered. And that junk. Cameron, I saw you got 2 basketball. That basketball box could be the highest quality box of the 3. I can't remember. Sammy Watkins, Bills. Seems like a good one. Eddie Lacy, Packers. Russell Wilson, Seahawks. J.J. Watt, gold parallel, number 2, $4.99 for the Texans. And our second hit is a big patch, Fabrics of the Game, Jerome Bettis, going out to Jeff Davis. This one is numbered, I think it says 94 out of 94. Yeah, 94 out of 94. Jerome Bettis, Steelers. Nice hit. What was that noise you just typed there, Jeff? EOA. Andrew Luck, Colts. Blake Bortles, Jaguars. Justin Hunter, Titans. Another J.J. Watt for the Texans. This one, gold team insert. Another Andrew Luck. This one, a skills insert for the Colts. Alright, should have 2 more hits. And 6 more packs, I think. I feel like this pack is going to have something cool. It felt weird. Maybe not. Or maybe so. Zach Mettenberger, Titans. Alfred Morris, Redskins. How you going to eat and not share? Matt Forte, Bears. Marshawn Lynch, number 2, $4.99 with the Seahawks. And this hit is going to the Jets. It is Bryce Petty and Leonard Williams. Going out to Scott Marcus. It is number 2, $7.99. New generation duels patch. Patches, I should say. Good looking card going out to Scott for the Jets. Alright. Got a lot of our hits out of the way already. Nick Foles, Rams. Derek Carr, Raiders. Mike Evans, Buccaneers. Eric Dickerson, number 250 for the Rams. Nice looking card there. Going on to Mario or Alana. Johnny Manziel skills card for the Browns. And that's the end of the pack. Is Bryce Petty going to start? I haven't heard a word on that. I lose track of football right around the Super Bowl. I don't start paying attention until like August. A little bit during the draft. Emmanuel Sanders, Broncos. DeMarco Murray, Eagles. Alshon Jeffrey, Bears. This one is a rookie of Josh Shaw for the Bengals, number 2, $9.99. And the Jets are going to pull another hit. Going out to Scott Marcus, RPA, rookie patch auto of Devin Smith. This one is number 2, $2.99. Nice looking patch. It's got just a slight layer of green there on the far right side. The rest of it's a really clean white spot. Wonder if he was sitting the bench. That's why it's so clean. I'm just kidding, Devin Smith. Number to $2.99 for the Jets. Kelvin Benjamin, Panthers. Reggie Bush, Niners. This is a pretty Dan Marino here. Legends card. Going to Michael Jensen. It is numbered. I couldn't see it at first. Number 299 right there in the middle. It's a pretty card. Steven Nelson, a rookie for the Chiefs. This one's numbered to 499. Russell Wilson Stars for the Seahawks. Alright, 2 packs left. Calvin Johnson, Lions. Torrey Smith, 49ers. Tavon Austin, Rams. And rookie Steelers, Doran Grant, numbered to 999. Legends, Steve Young for the 49ers. Another good looking card. David James picking up that Steve Young. Last pack here. John Meadows with the 8 mini cupcakes. So the special cupcakes, John. If so, you got to share with the group. Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch. Lamar Miller, Dolphins. Odell Beckham Jr. with the Giants. Todd Gurley, rookie gold team for the Rams. A good rookie out of this box. And the last card for the Lions, Matthew Stafford, Stars card insert. So the hits on Certified were Devin Smith, number 299 RPA. New Generation Duels, Bryce Petty and Leonard Williams, also for the Jets. Numbered 799. 2 patches on that one. Great big patch of Jerome Bettis, numbered to 94 for the Steelers. And P.J. Williams autograph, numbered to 150 for the Saints. Alright, basketball time. Bowling Alley was selling sports card boxes. Why is that? Alright, this one's got 4 mini boxes. Open up Chris Dunn, Buddy Hield, Brandon Ingram. I'm going to open Marquise Chris first. I've never heard that name. Never heard Chris Dunn either. Basketball's kind of weak sport for me. Just like the football absolute, comes out in a clear pack. Alright, first card was a Rocket, and it is Patrick Beverly. Next card, Jacob Podol, numbered to 999, rookie for the Raptors. Next one is our first hit. This is Dwight Howard for the Atlanta Hawks. Why won't my list scroll? Atlanta Hawks. This one's going out to Chad Bates. The Dwight Howard, number to 149. Nice card. Chad just sitting back there quietly watching. He saw his hit. That doesn't want to fit into 100. Alright, Dwight Howard, first hit. Next card, Gary Payton, number to 999 for the Lakers. Brook Lopez, Nets. Chad is sorting. Now we're going to open up Chris Dunn. Chris Dunn box. Well, first card out's going to be for the Spurs. Manu Ginobili. Second card is a rookie of Ben Simmons for the Sixers, number to 999. That dude pan out. I know he's like the top player coming out of college. That one's going to Tony Leslie. And our second hit is Tyler Ulis, guard for the Spurs, numbered to, it's numbered 10 out of 10. I say Spurs meant Suns. That's going to Michael Gogan. Michael Gogan picked up the Suns in a trade. Nice looking patch there in the middle. Got the purple and the white with two little stripes of white. Number 10 out of 10, Tyler Ulis for the Spurs. Ulis pretty good, huh? Walt Frazier, number to 999 for the Knicks. And the last card is Elfrid Payton for the Magic. I'm going to save Buddy Hield for last. Because I watched him in college going against the Jayhawks quite a bit. It didn't really mean nothing, but that's why I chose. Alright, Atlanta Hawks are getting the first card. Yeah, Ty Cobb relic card was hit earlier. Dwight Howard for the Hawks. Russell Westbrook, Thunder. And, ooh, I like this one. Rookie autographs, Check Diallo for the New Orleans Pelicans. This one is numbered to 99. That one is going to Ty Powell Sr. Ty Powell checks one of the ones that I collect. If you're interested in a trade for that, I will pay a high value. I won't lowball you for that one. So if you're interested, Sean Elliott, number to 999 for the Pistons. And last card is Blake Griffin for the Clippers. Oh, so the Tigers and Suns traded and both of them got a hit. I didn't remember exactly who was for who. That's kind of cool that it worked out that way. I suppose not cool for those of you that don't have a hit yet, but cool for the two involved. Evan Turner, Blazers. J.J. Barea with the Mavericks. And the last hit is Steven Zimmerman for the Orlando Magic, going out to Trent Giffen. This one is numbered to 149. Tools of the trade. Card Allen Iverson, numbered to 999 for the Nuggets. And last card of the box, Raymond Green for the Warriors. The hits were Steven Zimmerman, Magic to 149. Rookie autographs, Check Diallo, numbered to 99 for the Pelicans. Phoenix Suns, Tyler Ulis, numbered to 10. Beautiful dual-colored patch, tools of the trade. And Dwight Howard for the Hawks, numbered to 149. Patch card. Alright, now for this huge monster stack right here, I'm just going to leave it like that. That's 1, down there is 46, 1 through 46. Now, we are going to go to random.org. Random.org. I'm going to take this list. Somebody bought Mario Olana's taking over spot 16 after buying both of Robert Vela's teams. So Mario just might be on there twice, and they bought it. Robert Vela sold both of his teams, so kind of lost his spot there. Alright guys, this list I will randomize 6+ times according to the dice roll, 1 through 46. Not a 5. We will take an 8, randomizing this list 8 times. The bottom are going to be some of the worst cards, although there's some good ones in the middle. But we'll go through them. 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's 8. I'm just going to take this list and copy it. And I'm going to pop it on the video. I'm also going to pop it on the post. This is how I'll remember later. And we got to kind of go quick. Computer's at 10%. Phone's dying. Lee Huskisson, year number 1. Lee Huskisson, you get this Alden Smith logo patch, numbered 2, 1074, rookie Texans. Number 2, John Marine, you're getting this rookie AJ Reed autograph for the Astros. That one is not numbered. Number 3, Barry Mendenhall, you're getting this Reggie Bush Draft Days patch card. Number 4, Michael Goguen, you're picking up this Cole Hamels relic for the Phillies. Number 5, Tony Leslie, you are getting Owen Daniels fresh ink autograph for the Texans. Number 6, David James, you're getting this beautiful Andre Williams 4-colored autograph patch card for the Giants. Number 7, Jeff Davis, you're getting this Vernon Hargraves autograph rookie for the Buccaneers. Number 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8, Mike George, you get Elton Brand Sixers patch card, numbered to 250. Number 9, Ephraim Martin, you're picking up Vishante Shianko, numbered to 1200 autograph for the Giants. Number 10, Chad Bates, you're going to grab Cody Latimer rookie patch card for the Broncos. Number 11, Wayne Keekler, you're picking up Bernardrick McKinney autograph rookie card for the Texans. He's a good linebacker. Number 12, Chris Littleton. You're getting Manny Ramirez patch card for the Red Sox. 12, Manny Valinka. You're getting Luis Gonzalez dual patch card, 2 different uniforms. Number 14, Scott Marcus. You are getting this autograph, Bryce Brents for the Red Sox. Not sure who it is, but he's a rookie and could still pan out. 15, Chris Dunham. Dunham, you're getting Mark Teixeira patch card for the Yankees. 16, Christopher Saunders. You're getting Joe Nathan for the Twins patch card number to 175. John J. Seamonen. You are picking up Steve Largent for the Seahawks patch card. No number on that one. Anthony Gabaldon. You're getting the Chicago White Sox number to 25. This one has Kanirko, Podsednik, Tomei, and Iguchi. Nice White Sox card. Charles Henderson, you're grabbing Jason Kidd. Patch card for the Dallas Mavericks. That one is numbered out of 149. Scott Hamby, you are getting Chauncey Billups. Patch card for the Pistons. And that one is not numbered. Michael Jensen, you are getting Amari Stoudemire, number to 49, big old patch there. Greg Flug, you're getting this Carlos Boozer, this patch card that's been with me forever, but it's just going out now. Paul Stout, you're going to grab this Colts card. It is Dante Moncrief, patch autograph card. Nice looking card. No number on that. Chadley Sayin, you're getting this dual patch Andre Iguodala and Gilbert Arenas card. I'm on John Meadows. John Meadows getting Jim Rice, Boston Celtics tribute card number to 50 with 2 patches on it. Trent Giffen, you're getting this Tigers dual back card with Bobby Higginson and Shane Halter. Mario Orellana, you are grabbing this Chris Valaikai USA patch card. Jamie Cammy Hitchcock, you get this Renato autograph, Anthony Renato, rookie for the Red Sox. Craig Schoenberg, you are getting Toby Hall autograph and authentic game used base card for the Rays. Mike Goff, you're getting Jeff Pendergraph for the Blazers, patch card number to 299. Jeff Brayton, you get this Chris Young patch card for the Padres. Ryan Tuttle, you're grabbing this Jeff Jenkins patch card for the Brewers. Unnumbered. Paul Stout picked up another spot by buying 2 teams from somebody. You're getting Troy Murphy for the Nets, patch card numbered to 99. Kyle Zender, you're getting this Hawks, Heat, Kings, Childress, Eddie Jones, Coutinho Mobley, patch card numbered to 450. Ty Powell, you're getting this Carlos Boozer sweet swatches for the Jazz. Josh Carpenter, you're getting Devontae Parker, rookie royalty patch for the Dolphins. Jeremiah Ramsey, you get Tayshaun Prince, patch card for the Pistons. Scott Michaels, you get Wade Miller autograph for the Astros, numbered to 15. Blake Howard, you are getting Rex Grossman, quarterback for the Bears, numbered to 10. Mario Orellana, patch card, Roy Williams, Detroit Lions. No number on that. Gil Kane, you are getting Ray Rice, patch card for the Ravens. Rick Connolly, you get Brian Westbrook patch card for the Eagles, number to 350. Jamie Ramsey, you get Hanley Ramirez patch card for the Marlins. Cameron Williamson, you pick up Jose Bautista patch card for the Blue Jays. Jason Deal, you're getting Prince Fielder for the Rangers, patch card. And Danny Delfendahl, last but not least, you get Jermaine Dye, Chicago White Sox patch card with a nice stripe in it. that is it. I threw in a hit for everybody. I like getting a little crazy. You guys have been great buying in the breaks. It's been a lot of fun for me, and probably do 101 here in a little bit, but I gotta clean up. I gotta take a break. If I don't see you guys again, have a great night. PM me with any questions, and we will see you later.